MyFixitUpLife answers the web's most searched how-to questions.
You want to know how to make a DIY glass cleaner?
It's easy, and we'll show you how in 2 different ways. Making glass cleaner at home can save you time, money, reduce your impact on the planet, and it can help make your home healthier for your family.
Especially when you reuse spray bottles and use planet-friendly ingredients.
That is very true. The first DIY window cleaner recipe ingredients include water, white vinegar, a spray bottle, and essential oils.
Mix 1 cup of water to 1/4 cup of vinegar.
I'll do the vinegar. How about you do the water? Now we can add an essential oil. Now you can pick an essential oil based on if you like the scent, or you can choose one because of its cleaning power. Now, tea tree oil is really good because it can kill bacteria, viruses, and fungus. And others like orange and lemon, while they smell yummy too, they also can cut grease. So which one do you want to use?
I think we should do lemon.
Perfect. I just add a couple of drops because it's essential oil, it's pretty potent.
Good.
Perfect. Now this one is ready to go. Now we're ready to make the second DIY window cleaner. And the recipe includes rubbing alcohol, white vinegar, water, and essential oils again. Now we added the rubbing alcohol to the recipe because it quickens the evaporation process on glass and it reduces the likelihood of water spots happening after you clean your windows.
Mix 1/2 cup water with 1/2 cup rubbing alcohol and 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
Perfect. I'll do the vinegar.
I'll do the water. And yeah.
Then we need, can I borrow this 1/2 cup? You can pick another essential oil to add to this mix too.
I will choose sweet tea tree.
Oh. Tea tree is great. I use it for a lot of things around the house that you don't even know about.
Yeah.
So now we have 2 different window cleaners that are ready to clean our windows. So we both can clean the windows together. That's a little trick that I have.
For a shiny window finish, rub the glass with newspaper after you clean it. If you are searching for a quick fix how-to, we'd love to help. Share your questions and comments below.
Yes, share your comments and questions. We will answer all of them. And keep watching MyFixitUpLife for more tips and how-tos to help make your house into the home that you dream about.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.